So I'm looking at teaching standard 2B, which is planned teaching to build on pupils' capabilities and prior knowledge. I have included an email that I had to send to the admin at the school, which spoke about kind of inviting parents to revise a topic that I'll be doing in a booster class with some of the children that are listed on the email. They've already studied this topic before in a lesson, but they need to do an additional class just to go through some of the things, the factors where they need to be a little bit stronger in. So that's why I've included this email. And here's a list of some of the children that will be coming to two separate classes on a Tuesday and a Thursday. So this is mainly for their parents to go through, so that they can be helping them with this particular thing, this particular aspect. Here's a mark scheme, and I've included this so that again they get an idea of the structure of answers that they need to be putting down on the exam paper. Well, I'm doing peer-to-peer marking in the actual tests, where they go through each other's answers and they award marks based on what the mark scheme says, and they say the reason why they've given the mark that they've given. And that kind of builds again on prior knowledge and their capabilities, because it gives them a little bit extra. And then finally, this is the outcome. So here's a paper that's been completed by one of the pupils. It's been peer assessed, and they've given 15 marks. I've remarked it and given it 13. But again, this is them doing a paper building upon the prior knowledge that they've got from a previous lesson, which I've highlighted. I've highlighted some of their stronger answers in terms of the detail that they've given. The writing in green is the other pupil that's peer assessed it, and they've managed to get full marks on some of the questions, which again shows them building on their capabilities and their prior knowledge. Okay, and this is important. This highlights the importance of connecting new material to students' prior knowledge, and that for me is quite a massive thing, because as highlighted by Dolezal, Welsh, Presley and Vincent in 2003, you need to connect this new material, and if prior knowledge is lacking by the students, then they'll find it kind of difficult to progress in an aspect or a topic.